Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Johnny with JCS Performance. So we're going to have an opportunity to install these Evolution clutch ramp and spring kit. So this is going on Daniel's motorcycles, but I wanted to take this opportunity and show you guys the difference and why these are better than the stock factory stuff. So you've been hearing that the M8's ramps are breaking right here, and this is some kind of cast material. And the reason why they're breaking is because they're so brittle, they're so hard that they're brittle. And that's one advantage on the Evolution's ramp system here is that, first of all, it's made out of USA made steel, all machined in-house. And then it's a several step heated process. So it doesn't get too hard where it's going to be brittle and break. Also wanted to show you guys that on their spring kit, they are thicker compared to the factory one. Here's the factory one. You can see it's quite a bit different. Not only on that one there, but they're all. So this one's a 108, and here you can see so 127. So overall, thicker, better material. Now we're going to go to the bolt, which is something that's very important that people never talk about. So this one here on my left is going to be the factory one, and this is the one that's made from Evolution. Way better material. Now, even though it's a superior bolt compared to your stock factory one, it is recommended, they recommend, and always we recommend to only use it once. Install it, and next time you have to service it for some reason or other, replace it with a new bolt. These will break if you keep using them, and then you may damage your crank, or some other stuff might come apart when it breaks and stuff. So it's always recommended to go ahead and change this bolt as well. So what we wanted to do is show you guys, here's where it normally wears on the factory sprocket here, compensator sprocket. So this system works with all the rest of your factory stuff. So this makes it way more bulletproof. And then the way you can know when this is going out is that whenever you start, you get somewhere, you shut the motorcycle off, you'll continue hearing the motor go over and it'll clunk. So that's a sign, a telltale sound that your compensator ramp or your springs are too weak and it's time to replace them. So hopefully this helps you guys out. If you have any questions regarding this, feel free to reach out to us or go and check out Evolution Industries. They got a lot of nice stuff on their website. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. We have more cool videos coming soon.